Introduction to Economics. The nature and scope of the Economics by Adi Mursalin SAMM. Introduction to Economics. What is economics? Why study economics? Questions, vocabulary builder. What is economics? Economics is a study of the ways in which people use resources to satisfy their want. All of us want the food, clothing, and shelter that we need to stay alive, but most of us, even college teachers, want much more. We want car, television set, vacation, trip. In fact, our capacity to want is almost unlimited. What is economics? In contrast, the things we want are always limited in quantity. Even in a wealthy country like the United States, there is never enough of everything to satisfy all the wants of every person in the country. How to narrow this gap between what people want and what they are able to get is the basic problem study in economics. We shall refer to this problem as the problem of scarcity. Narrowing the gap. There are two ways to narrow the gap. One to want less, the other is to get more. Both philosophers, their proponents of various religions, and employers often follow the first way. History shows that we have usually attempted second way, the way of getting more, with varying and not facially measured degrees of success. The economists cannot say which way is the better. This study, however, are limited to the second way, to the method of getting more rather than to the method of wanting less. Adi Mursalin SAMM. Getting more of what? The economist limits his study to the attempts of people to get more of the things they want. But even in this limited area, there are things which are outside his field of study. Useful scarce goods which can be exchanged are called economic goods. All other goods are called non-economic goods. Many of the things which satisfy human wants cannot be changed. The physical potential to play football, the liking of one's friends, the love of family member, it may well be that their source of satisfaction are the important than the ones which can be exchanged, the ones which the economic study. However, most people seem to refer some combination of economic good and non-economic good. We now have limited the economics to a study of how people go about getting more economic good, more food, clothing, and shelter, new cars, television sets, etc. Does this mean that each of you can learn how to get more of those things by study? Unfortunately, the answer to this question is no. People who do not understand this often ask, "You are economists. Why aren't you rich?" We regret even more than you do that we cannot tell you how to get rich. What do we mean then when we say that economics is a study of the method of getting more? We mean that economics is a study of the method of getting more. We mean that economic study of the how group of people organize the use of resources to accomplish this goal. Let us take a closer look at what this means.